When it comes to trading platforms, two popular options are Uphold and Coinbase. In this tutorial, we will compare these two platforms to help you decide which one is best for your trading needs. First, let's start with Uphold. Uphold is a multi-asset trading platform that allows users to buy, sell, and hold various assets, including cryptocurrencies, commodities, and fiat currencies. One of the key features of Uphold is its ability to trade multiple assets from a single account, making it a convenient option for traders who want to diversify their portfolios. On the other hand, Coinbase is a dedicated cryptocurrency trading platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Coinbase is known for its user-friendly interface and is a popular choice among beginners. One of the main differences between Uphold and Coinbase is the range of assets available for trading. Uphold offers a wider range of assets, including commodities and fiat currencies, while Coinbase is limited to cryptocurrencies. Another key difference is the fees associated with each platform. Uphold charges lower fees compared to Coinbase, making it a more cost-effective option for traders. In terms of security, both platforms have robust security measures in place to protect user accounts and funds. However, Coinbase has a reputation for being one of the most secure cryptocurrency trading platforms, with a strong focus on compliance and regulatory requirements. To get started with either platform, you will need to create an account and verify your identity. This typically involves providing personal identification documents and proof of address. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds and start trading. When choosing between Uphold and Coinbase, consider your trading needs and goals. If you want to trade a wide range of assets, including cryptocurrencies, commodities, and fiat currencies, Uphold may be the better option. However, if you are primarily interested in trading cryptocurrencies, Coinbase may be the more suitable choice. In conclusion, both Uphold and Coinbase are reputable trading platforms that offer unique features and benefits. By understanding the key differences between these two platforms, you can make an informed decision about which one is best for your trading needs. Remember to always prioritize security and do your own research before investing in any asset.